mill is ready to rumble on a red oak, and this is just like everything else that I've been cutting so far. Trees that are either standing dead, pretty much dead, but I mean pretty much dead, really pretty much dead, or have been knocked down by a storm or whatever. I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to cut this thing yet, but I'm just going to start taking a slice off and see what happens. That's actually surprisingly pretty nice looking in here, considering there's one knot right there. That's not a huge deal. Not a huge deal. But yeah, for some red oak that's been standing upright for quite a while, this looks pretty decent actually. So I'm going to just keep cutting another slab off of here. Well, you always learn new things about how to read wood from the outside, and every time I encounter something new, I learn a little bit more. This log here, I wouldn't have realized it from the outside of the log before how much of a crack or a split was right down through the middle of this thing, okay? So on the one edge of this, it had kind of a lip like this, all right? And this was, I guess maybe I didn't pay attention to how this was or what, but I didn't really notice this crack in here before, okay? Just didn't quite see it, but I did see a little ridge on one side of the log, and you can see here that this, okay, in fact I can flex this, which you maybe can't see, but I'm actually flexing the whole half of the log way back in here is all split in half. So this piece right here to probably about right here is not much good for anything, all right? Somewhere in here from there to the bottom, or going up I guess on the tree, is maybe some good stuff, and maybe that would make a coffee table or something. And it's the same way with this piece here. This piece, we can see here this split here where that ties in. And we'll put these two together here, and you can see this piece here matches up with this piece down here. So the crack is a wide crack like this going through. You can see how it follows through right here. Okay, I can actually separate this apart, right? So it's going through here, and it ends on this piece about right here, where it starts on this piece and continues on through this piece. And I really wouldn't have even known how bad it, I guess realized how bad it was in this piece here, except seeing it come through this one. So this piece here on this end is probably basically okay. I mean, it does have this, you know, little bad spots because we're getting into the, down by the pith there, right? This part here is bad, and then this part is okay. So that looks like maybe, you know, a couple coffee tables or something. That right there is the fruits of my labors today. These, all this stuff right here. So, evening's work. This last piece here ended up at about 2 inches. That same split that I was talking about tails off through the very bottom of this piece. In fact, right here, I can actually just take and split that right off. Let me hold this. There we go. All right, so that is what is inside that entire tree, is that split like that. Pretty interesting. Anywho, that's it for that log. So we'll see you next time.